and ever wondered if you can work on that dream waistline while never leaving your bed? It's possible. Many people skip workouts due to lack of time or the hassle of getting out of bed. But worry no more. You can tackle this pain point head on with some simple bed exercises designed to cinch that waist. Let's start with leg lifts. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides. Slowly lift your legs to a 90-degree angle. Keep your core tight and lower the legs without touching the bed. 10 reps of these work wonders for the lower abs. Visualize this with a GIF or a clip of someone gracefully demonstrating the movement. Now onto Russian twists. Sit up slightly with your knees bent and feet flat on the bed. Clasp your hands, twist your torso to one side, then the other. A few minutes of this and you'll have a waist like a dancer's. Capture this move in all its bedbound glory with an overhead shot for clarity. Planking can be done anywhere, even in bed. Lay belly down, raise your body using your forearms and toes. Keep your body straight, hold for 30 seconds to a minute. It strengthens the entire core and compresses that waistline efficiently. Illustrate with a timer and someone holding the perfect plank. Side leg raises are next. Lie on your side, legs straight. Lift the top leg as high as you can, then lower slowly. This sculpts your obliques. Do 15 reps on each side for balance. Show before and after graphics of waist measurements to demonstrate impact. Flutter kicks offer a intense ab workout. And lie on your back, lift your legs slightly and alternate, kicking them up and down. Do this for 30 seconds. And it's a killer for burning belly fat. Use a slow motion shot to emphasize proper kicking form. And who knew you could practice bicycle crunches in bed? Lie on your back, lift legs, hands behind your head, bring one knee toward the opposite elbow, then switch. This movement twists the torso and targets the waist. Use a split screen to capture different angles. Bridge lifts focus on the lower back and core. Lie flat with knees bent and feet flat on the bed. Lift your hips as high as possible. Then lower. Repeat 15 times for a slimmer waist and stronger back. Capture the moment, hips reach peak height for added oomph. Pelvic tilts are subtle but effective. Lying on your back. Gently tilt your pelvis up and down. It provides a good stretch and engages deep core muscles. 10 sets are enough for a noticeable difference in your waist over time. Use an animated diagram for technique clarity. If variety motivates you, try these simple crunches. Lay on your back, knees bent, lift your shoulders, crunch your abs, and return. 10 reps of this basic move work on toning the waist area. A quick time lapse of someone doing this repeatedly would be fun. Scissor kicks are another great option. Lay on your back, lift your legs just above the bed, cross one over the other like a scissor. This tones the obliques and lower AB region. Illustrate success with transformative before and after waist shots. And then finally, knee to chest stretches provide a nice cool down. Lying on your back, hug your knees to your chest. And release. It's relaxing and stretches the back, multiplying waist slimming effects. Show an overhead view of complete the sin with calming music. With each of these exercises, consistency is the key. Doing them daily makes a big difference. No need for a gym membership or leaving the coziness of your bed. Achieving a small waist can truly be a pillow soft journey